We all know how annoying it can be to have oily hair that makes it look greasy, flat, and just downright blah. But don't worry, we'll be dishing out some tips and tricks on the best hair care masks for oily hair that will leave your locks looking fabulous and feeling fresh. So, grab your mixing bowls and let's get started. Yogurt and apple cider vinegar hair mask. Yogurt is not just a delicious breakfast treat, but it can also do wonders for your oily hair. How? The lactic acid in yogurt can help balance the pH levels of your scalp, which control excess oil production. The texture of yogurt can act as a gentle exfoliant for your scalp, removing any buildup of dead skin cells or product residue that could be contributing to your oily hair. Plus, yogurt is rich in vitamins and minerals that can nourish and strengthen your hair follicles, which promotes healthy hair growth. So, it'll help with oil control and will also leave your hair looking luscious and full of life. We've praised a lot the wonderful benefits of apple cider vinegar for hair. This magical elixir can not only help to regulate the pH levels of your scalp, but also help to strip away excess oil and product buildup while leaving your hair feeling clean and refreshed. So, when you combine these two power ingredients, you get a concoction that will do wonders for oily hair, which will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and oh so smooth. How do you make this mask? Simply combine a half-cup Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Mix it up and apply it to your hair. Repeat if you need more, depending on your hair length. You can also add a bit of clean water if you need it to be a little more runny. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it out. It's among the best way to pamper your precious hair. Remember to grab organic and non-GMO ingredients as much as possible for all recipes to avoid bad chemicals and bad ingredients that may damage your hair. Egg whites and lemon hair mask. The ultimate solution for those of us with oily hair. How? Because egg whites contain proteins that help soak up excess oil, which leaves your locks looking fresh and clean. The lemon juice in the mask also helps to regulate the pH balance of your scalp, which can prevent excess oil production. The protein in egg whites also helps to strengthen your hair and make it less prone to breakage and split ends. This means you can enjoy longer, healthier looking hair. Lemon juice has natural antiseptic properties that can help to combat dandruff and other scalp irritations. This means that not only will your hair look better, but your scalp will feel better too. To whip up this hair mask, crack open 2 eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. We won't be needing the yolks for this mask, so feel free to use them for a delicious omelet. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into a bowl with the egg whites. Give it a good whisk until the mixture becomes frothy and well combined. Apply the mixture to your hair, making sure to focus on your roots and the oiliest parts of your hair. Pop on a shower cap to keep the mask from dripping everywhere and let it work its magic for about 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse out the mask with cool water. Once rinsed, go ahead and woo everyone with this hair game changer. Apple and beer hair mask. This hair mask is super easy to make and comes with tons of benefits for oily hair. Apples are rich in vitamins A, B, and C, which help to nourish and strengthen your hair from the roots to the tips. They also have natural cleansing properties that can help to remove excess oil and buildup on your scalp, leaving your hair feeling refreshed and clean. Did you know beer can do good for your hair? The hops in beer contain proteins that can help strengthen and repair your hair, while the malt can help to add shine and moisture. So, what happens when you combine these 2 powerhouse ingredients? Magic, my friends! The apple and beer hair mask works to balance your scalp's pH levels, regulate oil production, and nourish your hair from the inside out. The end result? Gorgeous, healthy, and shiny locks. So, how do you make this mask? Start by peeling and dicing a medium-sized apple into small pieces. Put the diced apple into your blender or food processor and blend until it becomes a smooth puree. Pour the puree in a bowl and add in 1/2 cup of beer. Any type will do, but avoid using non-alcoholic beer. Stir until the mixture is well combined. You can also mix 1 tablespoon of honey in this to add extra moisture to your hair. Apply the mixture onto your hair and scalp and make sure to cover every inch of your hair. Once your hair is fully coated, put on a shower cap or wrap your hair in a plastic wrap to keep the mixture from dripping. Leave the mask on your hair for about 30 minutes to allow the apple and beer to work their magic. After the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Give it a try and get ready to rock that gorgeous, healthy hair like the king or queen that you are. Speaking of feeling like a queen or king, a great tip to remember is to detangle your hair before applying any hair mask to ensure that it will coat all your strands evenly. You'll love using TangleGenie. It's an amazing detangler with a unique 360-degree bristle design. It detangles your hair gently without pulling, tugging, or falling out. Be sure to give it a try for tangle-free hair and to escape the heavy damage other detangling methods can cause. Time to shine! Rice flour and tea tree oil hair mask. This hair mask is a real game changer. Rice flour helps to absorb excess oil from your scalp and hair, while the tea tree oil has antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help to soothe and calm an irritated scalp, reduce dandruff and other scalp issues. The combination of these two ingredients can help to leave your hair looking and feeling clean and refreshed. It's also easy to make. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil, and enough clean water to make a paste. Apply the paste to your hair, massaging it in gently with your fingertips and focusing on the scalp and roots. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Pro tips. This mask is great for oily hair, but don't overdo it. Once a week is plenty enough. You can also substitute tree tea oil for rosemary or lavender. Now you're ready to show off your gorgeous oil-free locks with confidence. Want to keep up with all the best tips to achieve gorgeous, healthy hair? Yeah, we think you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Fuller Earth Hair Mask. Fuller Earth, also known as Multani Midi, can help tame those oily locks by absorbing excess oil and leaving your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. Say goodbye to greasy, limp hair and hello to bouncy, voluminous tresses. Fuller Earth is rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and silica, which can help strengthen and nourish your hair from the inside out. Think of it as a multivitamin for your locks. Let's not forget that it can help soothe and itch your irritated scalp thanks to its cooling and calming properties. It can promote hair growth and prevent hair fall by improving blood circulation to the scalp. It can also give your hair a natural shine and softness without weighing it down or making it greasy. Wow, so many amazing benefits! To whip up this magical concoction, in a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of Fuller Earth powder, available at health stores or online, with 1 tablespoon of clean water or enough to make a thick, smooth paste. You may add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar for extra scalp cleansing and 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oils for more benefits. Leave the mask on for 20 to 25 minutes before rinsing it thoroughly with lukewarm water. It's important to note that everyone's skin and hair is different, and some people may be sensitive to Fuller's Earth. As with any new product or recipe above, it's recommended to do a patch test first before applying it to your entire scalp and hair. If you found a DIY hair mask that works great for your greasy locks, go ahead and share the recipe in the comments below. We love sharing great tips with everyone. And be sure to check out this video right here about which nutrients are best to eat to get your hair glowing and growing. Thanks for watching.